Hey everybody, and happy first day of summer. Yay. Anyways, today I'm going to do my Birchbox. I got this a couple days ago, and so I'm doing it right now. I save it for today. Tempted to not use the products. It's so good. So yes, this is the summer box, and it has, it's like the beach kind of thing. So there, let's see what I have. This is the theme. So yeah, alright, okay, so I got this perfume, so I don't know how to pronounce this perfume, but it's so good. This is full size is 42. It has excuse me. Notes of fruit, spices, and floral and champagne. So it's like very summery but light and refresh, and I really like it. I was like, I don't know this brand, I'm not gonna like it. And I sprayed it in my room when I got the box. I'm like, oh my god. So it's a spray. I like perfume samples that are sprayed than normal because so it's just this cute packaging type thing. So it's a nice size. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, next is a mascara. If I get the mascara. Full size of this mascara. I don't know the name. Sorry, I'm not very good at names, or describing things. But this is 15 for full size. Haven't opened this, so let's open it. It's a plus curl mascara. Like, I need mascaras in my life. Okay, that was a fail. Huh. Oh. So it's a curl one, but I'll do it this way. But it's plastic, so that's that. But that's not bad. I was just reading it. Okay, next product. I was like, when I was looking at this on the app, because I kind of sneak peek, I try not to, see what I get in my box. And I was like, looking at this blush I was getting, not the color, but the blush. I'm like, ooh, let's see what colors it has. And I'm like, ooh, it'd be funny to get the, boo. It's a, peachy pink. And I'm like, ooh, that'd be cute on my skin tone in the summer. I got it. I was not expecting to get the one I was jinxing to get. I wanted. So it comes as this cute little package sample. I'm like, I died when I saw it. I'm like, oh my god, it's so cute. So this is the sample looks like. And this is what the back is. Beautiful. It's a cream blush, so you have to like work it in. I'm gonna like, test it out and stuff. But it's just like this cool pinky peach. Oh, gorgeous. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this. So that's that. Oh, and that one full size is 22. It's called Peak Beauty. It's a natural, quick drying blush. Okay. Okay. Anyways, sorry I have the window open. Warm, summer, blah blah blah. My sample I pick is Philosophy, Simple Moisturizer. Because I like Philosophy and I wanted, you can't go wrong with moisturizers. I need more moisturizer products for me year round. This full size is 25. Has vitamin E and vitamin C and E. It's lightweight, non-greasy. I like things that say non-greasy, and they're greasy for my face or my body. It's like oil issues. So this is what it looks like. So excited. I was tempted to not use this for a couple of days. And then the last product. Oh yeah. No, not last product. One more product. Okay. Is this brightening up cleanser. And I used their little sample of that moisturizer that I got, that little tube thing. That actually lasted about 5 or 6 days or so, or maybe a week if I stretched it out. It worked really good. I liked it. It soaked in my skin and let my skin soften and stuff. So this is a cleanser. This is a nice size cleanser, like. And they're also cruelty free and also from Canada, or made in Canada. That's cool. So yeah, I really like this. I haven't tried this, but I know I like the brand so far. So the full size is 34. Yeah. So it'll be good for my skin. And then the last thing is a duo. Is this R plus CO shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo straightens and conditioner do with boosting body shine and softness. Full size is $30. So I saw this, I'm like, ooh, I didn't expect it to be together. Usually I don't get samples together. I usually get them separated. I do get shampoo conditioner, but not like this type of thing. So I like to try this. I attempted to not try this when I needed to wash my hair. That's how bad I want to try the box. So that was my Birchbox for the summer, and I hope you guys like it so far in the summer. We still have a couple more this summer, but I really like my box. So yeah, I'll tell you guys in my next video. Bye guys.